Okay, dear students, today we have to discuss about use of telephone bill. Firstly, Nepal Telecom. In Nepali, we used to say Nepal Dursanchar Company Limited. The billing techniques of telephone use. Firstly, let me introduce business hour, 8 a.m. to 18 hours.
Excuse me, sir, you have muted yourself.
Yes, sir, your mic is off.
Okay, really good moment. Okay, so I was thinking why are not they speaking or responding me? Okay, household arithmetic. Today we have to discuss about use of telephone, the cost you have to pay. Before that, let me highlight about the company Nepal Telecom. You know, you are familiar with this terminology. Nepal Dursanchar Sansthan, that is also called Nepal Dursanchar Sansthan. And billing technique in this case, let's discuss about business hour, 8 a.m. to 18 hours. 18, uh, 6 p.m. Yeah, 8 to 6. Yes, that is business hour, and normal hour is 18 to 22.
No,
That is
sir.
normal hour, and off hour, which is off hour. Off hour
10 p.m. to 6 a.m.
12 6. What does that means? 22 means 10 p.m. Yes, that is off hour. So I think you are also familiar about this system. We will get more discount or the charge will be less in off hour. And for the rate, here we will discuss about service types, time duration, rate per hour 6 to 22 and 20 to 6. This is hour, this is peak hour. In peak hour, GSM postpaid NTC, 1 minute time duration, rate rupees 1, and in off hour it is 0.55 paisa, 55 paisa. Prepaid Namaste, this is postpaid, this is for prepaid. Postpaid and prepaid, which one is postpaid, which number is postpaid number? Postpaid number, can you respond? Postpaid and prepaid, which one is prepaid and which one is postpaid? 460 is prepaid or postpaid? Can you write in chat box? No one responds. 460, 560 is prepaid. 560 is prepaid. 560 is prepaid or 460 is prepaid? Yeah, Sneha, yeah. 460 prepaid. It is we have to pay more charge in prepaid. Postpaid is 560. So for 1 minute it is 1 rupees per minute. Here 1 rupees 50 paisa per minute. But in off hour time both have the same rate. This is the rate about that. Okay. Now moving to the next about this. Please, I will tell in details. This is very important for us. Then only we can solve the problem. Before that, minimum charge of 175 calls is Rs 200. One part is this. Minimum charge, may I repeat once? Minimum charge of 175 calls is Rs 200. So rate of charge above 75 calls is RE1 for call, rupees 1 per call. This is more than minimum charge. and tariff C equal minimum charge. Here we have discussed minimum charge plus charge of additional number of calls, that is n into r. What is n into r? Minimum charge is denoted by small c, this is our symbol, and number of calls times rate, nr means. Let me highlight again. To find the total tariff rate, it is denoted by capital C equal minimum charge is C plus additional number of calls times additional rate. Again I will repeat it. Minimum charge of 175 calls is Rs 200. Rate of charge above 175 calls is RE1 per call. So as we have discussed, it may vary on the basis of uh, peak hour and off hour, that is condition apply, but in general we will solve the problem in this way, or the rate will be given in the question. So minimum charge, that is small c, I have represented. Charge of additional number of calls, that is number of calls denoted by n, and small r is the rate of additional number of calls. Additional number of calls time additional number of call, number of additional call into rate plus minimum charge is total tariff. Then after finding capital C, dear students, telephone service charge TSC will be added 10% of C. In this capital C, 10% of it, 10% of C will be added. Telephone service charge will be added on the tariff or capital C. Then after adding 10% service charge, 13% VAT, C plus TSC. The amount obtaining from first case and second case, 13% of this is tariff, that this charge plus their 10% telephone service charge, and their whole 13% VAT will be added. So local call, STD and ISTD call are three types of telephone calls. The rate of charge of this call are different. We will not focus in this part. Again dear students, first minimum cost plus additional number of calls times rate. After finding the amount, add 10% service charge, and again add 13% VAT on the minimum charge and 10%. After adding service charge on the cost or the rate or tariff, we will find total amount of bill, or we need to put in that way. Are you
Yes.
clear about this system or not?
Yes,
Let
sir.
me know, dear students. Can you respond in chat box? Okay, thank you. Can I move to the next? I will mention. Now let me highlight one model question. Dear students, the minimum charge up to 175 calls is Rs 200. The minimum charge up to 175 calls is Rs 200. If the charge for additional calls is RE1 rupees 1, how much will be the charge for 335 calls with 10% service charge and 13% VAT? So the total calls is 355. For 175, that is minimum calls is Rs 200, and is for additional calls the rupees or the rate is 1. Now the solution for this, dear students, the minimum charge for 175 calls is Rs 200. I think it is clear. Then additional number of calls is total number of calls minus minimal number of calls. 355 minus 175, it is 180. 550, 15 plus 7, 8. 1 carry to 180. So charge for additional number of calls equal to 100 into 1 equal to 180 rupees. I think it is clear for all the students. Now moving to the next part, dear students, charge for 355 calls is the sum of 200 plus 100, that is 380 rupees we find from the condition, that is capital C. Then TSC equal to 10% of 380, that is 38 rupees. Is it 38 rupees? Yes, we can find 10 over 100 times 380, 00 card, 00 card, we will find 38. So 38 rupees is service charge. So charge with TSC, so 380 and 38 rupees, it is 418 rupees. Still our problem is not completed. Now in the third part, dear students, 30% VAT we have to calculate. VAT amount is 30% of 418, that I already mentioned you that in this bill 10% service charge is added and 13% VAT is calculated after adding total telephone service charge. So 54 rupees 34 paisa, you know, 13 by 100 times 418 and you will get this amount. You know the method. And now the total charge is minimum 380 plus telephone service start 30 years, which was already added here 418 plus VAT amount. So the total amount or total charge or total telephone charge is 470 rupees 34 paisa. In this way we can pay the amount to the Dursanchar Sansthan according to this rate and condition. Now moving to the next part, dear students. Yes, can you write the solution of this question? Now let's move to the next question, dear students. Let's move to the next. Model number 2. What is given in model number 2, dear students? Let me highlight first, then I will give the classwork. The minimum charge of telephone calls up to 175 calls are 200, which is not different as the previous. The charge for extra call of 2 minutes duration is R1. Here is the different. The charge for extra call of 2 minutes duration. You have to focus here. 2 minutes duration for 2 rupees 1. If a main paid Rs 1 to 4 is 10% TSC and 13% VAT for his telephone bill, find the number of extra calls made. So let me solve this question. For let the charge of telephone calls without VAT BX. I have started from the back. Yeah. So then, sorry, yes, without VAT, 13% VAT will be added after adding TSC. So from that I have suppose the charge of telephone calls without VAT BX. So X plus 13% of X is as this 1243, because after adding 13% VAT the amount becomes 1243. So we have supposed the rate without VAT. So X plus 13% of X is 1243. It is RS 1100. But you may ask, I will solve this question. X plus 13 by 100, X equal to 1243. 100 into X is 100X plus 13 is 113X by 100 equal to 1243, or x 113 by x, sorry, 113, sorry, 113x equal to 1240 times 100. Therefore x equal to 1240 times 100 over 113. Then you will obtain 1100. I think you got the way. After finding the rate or the cost before VAT, again we obtain 1100, that is before VAT. Let the charge of telephone calls without TSC be y. Again I suppose y, that is before TSC. This x is before VAT, the y is before TSC, that 10% is. So y plus 10% of y equal to 1100. So y equal to rs 1000. Here also y plus 10y by 100 equal to 1100. So 100 plus y 100, 10y, 100 into y, 100y plus 10y is 110y over 100 equal to 1100, or this 0 cut, or 11y equal to 1100 times 10. Therefore y equal, sorry, 1100 into 10 over y equal to 1000. So in this way we can find the solution for second condition. This 1000 is the rate before TSC. Okay, before TSC. So the minimum charge up to 175 is Rs 200. So the charge for extra calls is 1000. It was before TSC minus minimum cost, and we obtain 800 minutes. Yeah. Yes, 800 rupees per minute, not. So the number of extra calls equal to 800 rupees by RE1 equal to 800 calls. 800. So the required number of extra calls is 800 calls. The rate is this. You may ask the minute, it may be 1600 minutes, because for 2 minutes the rate is 1. For 2 minutes the, for extra call of 2 minutes duration is 1, and 800 extra calls is made. But the total time here we have not discussed about the time, just the call. 800 extra calls were made because the rate for this is rupee 1. So 800 is extra calls. So if we need to find the time, you know, you can multiply by the duration of time. Is it clear, dear students? Can you response? If you have any question, I will clarify again. It is
सर 10 मिनट बोले नि आरई वानै हुन्छ सर 10 मिनेटको पनि मजाले यसरी
the charge for extra calls
Oh,
of 2
thank you,
minutes
sir.
duration is RE1. Here we are not focusing mainly in time but only the extra calls. The charge for extra calls of 2-minute duration is RE1. You know, I think. Ankit,
Yes,
is it
sir,
clear
I'm
now?
clear.
Yeah. Okay, others students? If not, please mention in
Sir, it's
chat
clear.
box your response. I will move to next. Okay, thank you. I
Yes,
think
sir.
Arogya is speaking. Okay, good. Now model number 2 question by another method. Dear students, the question is similar types but solving method is different. You may as a previous exercise, firstly I have solved by long method, and at the end I have shown you very short method here. Similarly, that previous method is long, now it may be short. If you understand, it will be okay. If not, you can follow the same pattern, dear students. So question is, the main paid 3107.50, others no problem. The question is similar. The minimum charge of telephone calls up to 175 is 200. For 2 more minutes of extra duration is RE1, 10% TSC and 13% VAT. Find the number of extra calls. How many number of calls? Not the minute. Here we are not discussing about the time, just we are discussing about the calls. But for 2 minute duration, rupees is 1. So rental charge, it is also called rental charge, which is minimum charge. It is given in your textbook, dear students. Rental charge, the word is used in your textbook. I have taken from your textbook for rental charge. It is 200. And extra calls charge is RE per call. Per call means that is 2 minutes duration. TSC is 10%, VAT in 13%. Grand total means including all total is 13%. 3105. So it can be solved by direct method, dear students. The grand total amount equal to shop's total, that is C, and included 10% TSC and included 13% VAT. So shop total times 110% means including 10% is 110%. 10% is TSC, but including in shop total, that may be 100 plus 10%. It was discussed in mark price and selling price VAT also. Anyway, shop total C plus 10% of C, it becomes C plus 10 C by 100. So it becomes 100C plus 10C by 100 equal to 110C by 100. It is 110%, okay, of C. So it becomes 110, and 13% VAT also added in the same case, same way we can find 113. Now by calculation, 3105.50 equal to subtotal into 110 by 100, that is 110% times 113 by 100. So it becomes 3107.50 equal subtotal, I use ST here, 110 over 100 times 113 over 100. I believe you understand. So it goes to multiply, both of these goes to multiply, and these two goes to divide, 110 and 113, and in this way we can find 2500 is C, capital C. Okay, now it is disturbing. Okay, again. Now dear students, yes, now extra call is subtotal amount minus rental amount, that is minimum amount, it is 2300. So number of extra calls is extra calls cost minus rate of extra call. So 2300 divided by 2300, thus 2300 extra calls were made. It is a shortcut method, direct method. In this way, if you understand the first theme, without supposition also we can solve this question. Dear students, do you have any problem regarding this second method? Second method,
No, sir.
which one is easier? Can you respond in chat box? First or second? For model number 2. Now your turn start. Please solve this question. Solve this question. Okay, we can you can solve exercise 4.3. Let's get ready all. and from solving part 1, 5, 8 and 13 number questions. Okay, that is for homework.